A lot of you probably have old 8mm or Super 8 film, old home movies that were taken decades ago, and you're not sure what to do with those or how to convert those into a format where you can preserve them and use them and watch them today without a projector, which is really hard to find. So there's an easy way to digitize the video. It won't get the audio, but as far as the video, if you want to just preserve that portion of it, of course a lot of that film was silent anyway, but you can go in and get a system here on Amazon called Wolverine, and it will do 8mm or Super 8, and you can see it here. It costs about $300. That's about what I paid for mine, and it worked really well. It was fairly quick to transfer over. It's not transferring in real time by any means, but you can do a 10-minute video in under an hour for sure. So you can see the player here. There's the back side. It's got some nice features here. You've got a TV out feature. You've also got a USB that you can plug right into the computer if you wish, and then you've got an SD card option. I just used the SD card option and stored all the captured video right to an SD card, and then I could put it in whatever laptop, desktop computer, or whatever. It comes with a few other pieces here as well. There's one empty reel and a couple of adapters there. So really it worked pretty well. The only drawback was I had some old films from one of my uncles which were on a larger sized reel and they wouldn't really fit on it. So if you run into that problem, they do make a newer model now called the Pro, and the Pro is another $100, but it allows you to do larger reels. So that's the primary benefit here, and it will handle those larger ones. And I think as far as the features go and the setup, it all looks about the same. Really easy to use and really pretty consistent. I didn't have any trouble with the thing eating film or not capturing correctly, anything like that. Everything was captured clean. As long as you set it up right and load the film the proper way, it tends to work really well. So I highly recommend the Wolverine systems. If I were buying one today, I would definitely have bought the Pro, because I do have those larger films and it was a huge hassle to go in and break those into smaller reels in order to capture them. It would have saved me a lot of time to have this system with the larger ones. So anyway, if you've got a lot of film there, definitely check this out. If you're not sure you want to get into this or purchase equipment, there are a lot of companies that will do video conversion for you. The one drawback there is you've got to send them your film, and you'd hate to have something happen to them. I don't know that that is typical. I've never heard of somebody losing their film or having it damaged, but I have had some people get back some lower quality results, and sometimes that depends on the original film. But I'm also happy to help with anything like that. If you've got questions, send me a note and I can give you tips on the best way to go about that. Or if you really want somebody to do it, can't find anybody in your area, I'll be happy to do it for you too. It's really not difficult to do. So anyway, that's my summary of the Wolverine capture system.